Hello everyone, this is Miss Mills. I'm here to read the word study assessment for syllables and affixes sort 44. So I hope you have prepared, you're ready for this. And the first thing we're doing, as always, is preparing our page, either on a piece of lined paper or on a spreadsheet like this. We need to put the heading titles and the model words for us, so we are ready to start writing and sorting our words. The first heading is words that start with PH, and in these words PH makes f sound, as in phrase. Then we have the category where there's a PH that makes the same sound, but it's not in the beginning of the word, as in alphabet. Then we have words that have a GH in them that make an F sound, as in enough. And lastly, we have words that have GH, but the GH is silent, like daughter, daughter. We don't hear any F in this group. Once you have your page set up, you can continue playing this video, and I will read the words and use them in a sentence so you can begin your spelling. Number 1, Phantom. My sister and I saw Phantom of the Opera on Broadway. Phantom. 2, Fought. We fought over who would get to sit in the front seat. Fought. 3, Naughty. My mom said we were quite naughty for fighting so much. Naughty. 4, Homophone. Sometimes homophones can be confusing. Homophone. 5, Photocopy. Let me photocopy this page so we can both have one to look at. Photocopy. 6, Telephone. Do people talk much on the telephone these days? Telephone. 7, Nephew. I can't wait to celebrate the birthday of my nephew. Nephew. 8, Dolphin. My dream pet would be a dolphin. Dolphin. 9, Tough. I tried to chew the meal, but the bread was very tough. Tough. 10, Physics. I can't wait to get to high school and learn more about physics. Physics. 11, Height. I have pictures of when I was little, standing in order of height with my cousins. Height. 12, Photograph. Photograph. So remember, this word actually belongs in 2 different categories, so make sure you get it in both. Photograph. We posed for a photograph by the waterfall. Number 13, Paragraph. We were told to write a summary paragraph about what we learned. Paragraph. 14, Rough. I was worried I'd get a sliver on the rough wooden surface. Rough. 15, Taut. My parents taught me many valuable lessons growing up. Taught. 16, phonics. Once you master phonics, reading becomes a lot easier. Phonics. 17, trophy. My team won and took home the trophy. 18, actually 18, I'm just going to say photograph again, just to make sure you have it in two places, because the end number here is going to be 22, okay? So 18 is also photograph. If you don't have it in two places yet, go ahead and write it again in the second heading. Number 19, caught. We measured carefully to see who had caught the biggest fish. Caught. 20, cough. Make sure to cover your mouth when you cough. 21, laughter. Some people have very recognizable laughter. Laughter. 22, elephant. When you're riding an elephant, you feel like you're on top of the world. Elephant. That was all 22 words. Again, remember, there are 21 different words with one word written twice. So count to make sure you've got all your words accounted for. And good luck. Have a great rest of your day.